Start recording us.
Okay,
Record.
So are we just doing it on semi, yeah? Single shot.
At first.
Right, well,
Right. He said if you could.
we're recording. Who's giving us the go ahead?
On camera.
Ready? Hang on. We'll let Dan do that.
Okay. Is everyone ready?
Jacob, I want a full magazine.
No, hang on.
Are we
Dan, you
recording?
should get Shirley to do the countdown, Dan.
We're recording.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Jacob, pull out now. Oh, God, that was funny.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wait till he comes back out. Wait till he comes back out.
Talking out from behind a tree. Right, Jacob, after 3.
3,
3,
2,
2, 1. Yay!
If we send this in, it will get on the show. It really will.
I think is that it? No more. No more. Game over. No more. Fun's over.
What's that? There's 4 on the floor that haven't even popped.
I know. I was, look,
5.
you can shoot them, they just will not pop.
I think they need to be slightly inflated more.
Yeah, I think that might be what it is.
I need a full magazine.
You see, the balloons, they're not popping, are they?
That one must have got a bit fall.
Yeah, stop. You're alright.
Right,
Right, stop.
Jacob.
I'll take forward as well.
You want aftershots as well? For the scars on your legs.
Somebody got me right on the little finger.
Is that when your hand was down here? Did you put your hand there next to a balloon? I think you
I must have been like that.
Yeah. Sorry.